Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Neil Explains. Today this question is very simple but tricky one. We will solve it step by step. And as we know, PEMDAS rule, parenthesis exponential multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, first we will solve for this parenthesis or bracket, then we will do further process. So when we solve this parenthesis part, our question will become 16 divided by 4 into 2 plus 2, that is 4 minus 3. So according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication are having same priorities. Then in that case, we will solve from left to right. Okay, so first we will solve for this part. So again, 16 divided by 4, then answer will be 4. Then multiply by 4 minus 3, and after that we will solve for this multiplication part. Then 4 into 4, that is 16 minus 3, and when we subtract this, we will get 16 minus 3, that is 13. So 13 will be the right answer. And if you want more maths book or 0 to hero in maths, go and check out our book series in the description. Keep watching.